Hey there, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my second tutorial. I had said on my Instagram, a lot of people suggested that I do tutorials and this is my second one. Today I am going to do a simple everyday makeup for beginners and for work as well. This is the makeup that I do every day for work, so it's great for anyone. So I'm going to go over what we're going to use today. So as you can see, I already have the base makeup from a previous video that I recorded, but for everyday I don't do all this base makeup. I don't do foundation and powder and everything. I just do concealer, powder, that's all, and some blush. That's all I do for base makeup, but I am going to use this base makeup for today. So first, I use this palette. I've had this palette for a long time. It's by Essence. It's called All About Roses eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it has a lot of neutral and rose-colored eyeshadows. I really love this. You can use it for anything, basically. Then I use, for eyeliner, I use a pencil actually, the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in one Black Fever. I use it on my eyelid here. I just do a small line. Then I use a mascara. I use the Art Deco Volume Supreme Mascara. I mentioned this mascara in my favorites 2019 video, which I will link somewhere here in the video, and I use this every day. Then for my eyebrows, I use this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. It has filling fibers in it. I use the palest color that they have in their range and I use it on my eyebrows just so that they are better than they are now. And then for lipstick as well, I use the Essence Barely There number 6. Coincidentally, no, I'm using almost all Essence products apart from the mascara, which is Art Deco. This is the color of the lipstick. In terms of brushes, I only use 3 and sometimes even 1. So I use this flat brush just to apply color on my lids. Then I use this blending brush just to blend out some colors in my crease. Then I use this brush just to blend out the eyeliner that I use. So let's start, shall we? As I said, I first go in with my eyeshadows. So I use this brush to put on color on my lids, and I'm going to use this pale color here. It's a very light color, but I really love it. I just put this color on my lids. That's all. Then I go in with the blending brush and I mix these 2 colors together. This one and this one. 1, 2. I put it in my crease. I blend it out as much as I can. I blend out not only the crease but also my outer corner of my eye. I check that my eyes match. That's all for eyeshadow. Next I go in with my eye pencil. I just hold my eyes here and I do a line.
hold it.
I put some more color at the end so that when I blend it out with my brush I have a little flick. Then I go in with my brush and I blend out the pencil to do a small flick. That is all for my eye pencil. Next then I go in with my mascara and I do mascara both on my upper lashes and lower lashes. Yes, I do funny faces as well when I apply mascara, so you're not alone. For my lower lashes, a small tip. Don't apply mascara like this because there's the tendency that if you apply in a downward motion you will smear mascara on your face. So I just apply mascara like this. A sideways motion. I just coat my lashes, sideways motion. And I don't have anything on my face. I don't have smearing on my face. Oh, thank you very much, thank you very much. My tea is here. Next up, I go in with my eyebrow product. And I just set my eyebrows. Just apply a little bit to have a bit of color and so that they are nicer. I don't have a lot of eyebrows and this helps me, for them to look a bit fuller since it has the filling fibers in it. Last step is lipstick. Lipstick puts the whole look together. That is all for this everyday makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you have tried it yourself as well, let me know. Leave your suggestions for future videos as well in the comments down below. I love to do videos that you suggest, so let me know in the comments down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, to follow me on my Instagram, and to subscribe to my mailing list. I have the link in the description box down below as well. Until the next video, bye bye!